Thank you. You may now take your seat. To officially start the program, may we call on Sir Audrey Moralio to render his welcome address.
Good morning, everyone. First, on behalf of the administration, faculty, and staff members of Young Achievers International School, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to all the parents, guardians, and family who graced this momentous event. Special thanks should be accorded to our parents and family for their love and support. Today is a testament of the learning that our preschool